Bartholdi was the designer and sculptor of the Statue of Liberty. He was a French painter. He was born in France in 1834 and died in 1904. The statue was a present that Frank gave to the U.S. to honor the alliance. The Statue of Liberty is a figure of an Egyptian woman. The statue was way too big to move in one piece. Bartholdi and his team had to be incredibly organized. Once the statue was fully built in Paris, workers had to take it apart piece by piece. A ship carried the statue whose weight was 225 tons of metal and had to navigate rough Atlantic weather. The ship arrived in New York Harbor on June 17, 1885. The torch and the head had actually traveled to the U.S. years earlier. The torch was displayed at the 1876 World's Fair in Philadelphia to help raise money for the rest of the construction. After arriving from France it took about 4 months to get her fully standing on Liberty Island. The statue's skin is made of over 300 individual copper sheets. The assembly was completed in October 1886.